Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can import a workflow in N8n. So let's get started. To begin, open your web browser and head over to the official N8n website. Make sure you have a stable internet connection to avoid interruptions during the import process. Once you're on the site, navigate to the workflow editor. This is your main hub for managing automations. Ensure that you're logged in and that you have the necessary permissions to import workflows. Inside the editor interface, look at the top navigation bar. You'll find an icon with 3 dots, often called More Options. This menu gives you access to extra features, including the import option. When you click on it, you'll see 2 choices: import from URL and import from file. If your workflow's JSON file is hosted online, for example on GitHub or another shared platform, select Import from URL. Simply copy the full URL of your workflow and paste it into the provided field. If you have the workflow stored on your computer, select Import from File. A file browser will open, allowing you to locate and select the JSON file you want to upload. After you either paste the URL or choose your local file, N8n will start importing the workflow. The import time may vary depending on the file size and your internet speed, but generally the process is quick and efficient. Once the import is complete, the workflow will appear directly in your editor. From there, you can review it, adjust any configurations if needed, and then set it into motion. Always double-check the parameters to make sure everything is aligned with your project requirements before executing automation tasks. By following these steps, you'll successfully import a workflow into N8n, unlocking new ways to enhance your automation and productivity. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.